Hey guys, welcome back to another new tutorial, and today's video is very special if you are an email marketer, if you are a freelancer, and if you are a business owner. So maybe you are looking for a email marketing tools. In this video I will show you 4 free tools that can help you to verify your email address, that can help you a lot, like email verification. Okay, so I know it's very crucial and important that why you should use email. Okay, so maybe you have a list of email addresses, like your client email, different marketing processes email that you need to for your business purposes, and you need to verify the email list. Okay, so I'm just using these tools. It's called emailverifier.online. Okay, so just within few seconds and few minutes you will be amazed, and you will be free email verification. And you can use, like here you can see the step number 1, just email verification online. Just you have to create a free account, and then you can upload a CSV file, and step 3, you can go back to my listing and you can verify. Okay, and note 100 email validation 1 minute. Just mean within 1 minute you can verify 100 email address. Okay, so as you are a lead generation expert, you are working as a freelancer, full-time freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, so these tools will help you a lot. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Okay guys, so let's jump into my Google spreadsheet. So this is my Google spreadsheet. It's all about 500 Gyms UK leads. That's mean I already collected Gyms CEO founder from the UK. Okay, they are first name, last name, company, email address, and personal LinkedIn website, and the phone number as well. As you will find hundreds and 500s emails over there. Okay, and I have to deliver to my client. Okay, it's really important to verify this email address. Okay, so these tools will 100% forever free, bulk, unlimited, clean email list. Okay, so this is the section where you can input the email and then click on verify email. Okay, so before verify email address, definitely you have to sign in. Okay, so you can see, click on register button and just sign in with your Gmail address, like first name, last name, email address, password, and repeat password, and then create. Alright guys, and the second tool, it's called Raihan.com email verifier. Okay, so get 20 credits every day for a lifetime. Okay, for no monthly payments. Okay, so click here to sign up free. So you can use these tools as a free if you are a beginner, so try these tools. Okay, alright guys, and the third email tools is called hunter.io. Okay, so these tools you can use free with few limited credits. Let's copy the email address and enter the email over here and click on verify. I already verified this email address. This is invalid, and this email address is invalid. Format is valid, type is professional, server status invalid, email status invalid. Let's remove this one and try another one. Click on verify. And last not the least, it's called clearout.io. It's an AI powered solution to discover ideal customers. So check out their product section and you will find email verifier. So click on email verifier. So valid emails in seconds, try out for free email verifier. So I'm just going to paste another email address and click on valid. Also you can use these tools as a bulk email verifier. You can see, and this is the email address, and its AI verdict is safe to send, risky, email status cache wall, and region cache wall, mail server. Alright, so it's not 100% valid. So use these 4 tools to verify your email address, and use these tools as a bulk email verifier. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the update. Okay, so I will come back with new tutorials, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.